In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your installed apps in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your apps, how to review what's there, and what to look out for so your store stays fast, secure, and easy to manage. First, open your Shopify store and head to your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard, the place you land after you sign in. Make sure you're logged in with a staff account that has permission to view apps. If you manage multiple stores, double-check you're in the correct one before moving on. Next, click Settings. You'll typically find the Settings option at the bottom left corner of the admin, represented by a gear icon. Clicking it opens a page with all the behind-the-scenes controls for your store. If your admin layout looks a little different, don't worry. Shopify occasionally updates the interface, but the settings area is always in the same general location. Now, click Apps. Depending on your version of the admin, it may be labeled Apps or Apps and Sales Channels. This section is the central hub for everything you've added to extend your store's functionality, from marketing and analytics tools to page builders, shipping integrations, and more. Here is where you can see and check all your installed apps. You'll see a list of every app connected to your store, including apps you've installed directly and any sales channels you've enabled. Use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific app by name if your list is long. Take a moment to scan through the list and confirm each app is still relevant to your current workflows. Look for duplicates that serve the same purpose, apps you no longer use, or trials that may have ended and started billing. If an app shows warnings or needs attention, you'll usually see a note right in this area. You can also note high-level details like app developers and categories, which helps you understand what each app does at a glance. If you're troubleshooting performance issues, this list is a great place to identify apps that might overlap in functionality, which can sometimes slow down your storefront. Consider keeping a simple log of your apps, including what each one is used for and whether it's mission critical. That's all there is to it. Open your Shopify store, click Settings, then click Apps, and review the list you see. Make it a habit to check this page periodically, monthly, or each time you make big changes to keep your store lean, secure, and running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently find and review your installed apps in Shopify.